Okay. Hi, my name is Helen and I'm Head of People for Quantum Black. We are delighted to be supporting Versus COVID Hackathon and the fantastic work done by Elena and the team at Teens in AI. We share their passion for encouraging young people like you to pursue careers in the tech sector. And I wanted to take a few minutes today to explain why this is important and what exciting opportunities could lie ahead for you. To begin with, what do we do at Quantum Black? We are a data analytics company that work with clients to help them use their data to drive performance. We make use of leading edge techniques in AI and machine learning in order to do this. Our three founders learned these approaches whilst working in the Formula One industry, where small changes can have a big impact on the result. And we now apply these techniques across many industry sectors. So let's take a quick look at what's going on in the world of work. It will come as no surprise to hear that technology is everywhere. This chart shows you the potential for digitization in a number of industry sectors along the horizontal axis, and how much value can be created through that on the vertical axis. The bubbles represent the size of each industry. We can see that there are many large sectors like manufacturing and retail where there is still huge impact to apply technology and create impact. We estimate 30 to 50 million new tech jobs will be created by this digital shift in the next 10 years through to 2030, meaning the industry is going to be very short of tech skills. And of course, many traditional roles will disappear or shrink as technology takes over all or part of that activity. Quite simply, there has never been a better or more critical time to consider a career in technology. And the pipeline of people coming into the industry remains a massive challenge, as this chart shows you. As small children, there is a high interest in technology for both boys and girls when you ask them whether they're interested in computing. However, in the teenage years, this drops off massively for girls in particular. And in fact, when you look at university admissions, only 6% of boys, males, go on and take a degree in computer science, and a mere 1% of females in the UK and a similar percentage in the US go on to study computer science at university. And when you have a skills shortage like this, wages inevitably rise. And we currently see an average salary in the tech sector, which is over twice as high as the average salary for the population at large. It's not at all uncommon for a ComSci graduate to achieve a salary of around £50,000 here in the UK. But money is certainly not the only reason to choose a career in tech. Let's take a look at some of the tech roles we have in Quantum Black. Some of these roles might be quite new to you, so let me just highlight a couple for you. Ben is a machine learning engineer at QB. He uses his background in AI and software engineering to build end-to-end machine learning solutions across many different industries. He's also a talented musician, and his PhD, in fact, was all about predicting whether a particular song would be a chart hit based on analysing the music notes. He's also worked in the clothing industry, predicting, would you believe, the next trends in fashion. Huang is a front-end engineer. It's her job to build the user interface on a technology product, combining creativity and design with software engineering. Huang actually studied business at uni, but then taught herself to code with some help from a great organisation called Code First Girls. My colleague Mo a DevOps engineer, loves the impact his work can have on people. And this is a very common theme here at Quantum Black. We do a lot of work in the healthcare industry, where technology and AI is being rapidly adopted. And here are some examples of what AI can do in that industry. For example, you can use medical data to predict at what age people are likely to be at risk of developing health conditions like high blood pressure or strokes. So action can be taken to avoid this unnecessary illness and, of course, medical intervention. In Quantum Black, in common with many other tech firms, we also believe in AI for social good and make sure we help charities and non-profits on a pro bono basis alongside our commercial work. Here's an example of a project we worked on last year after a devastating cyclone hit Mozambique. We used satellite imagery from drones together with AI to plan the disaster recovery effort, in particular as it related to schools and education, and we're able to do this much more effectively. I hope I've managed to give you a very quick insight in this short talk into what's happening in the world of work and how the tech industry is evolving and the fascinating ways you can apply your tech skills to have meaningful impact. It's really terrific that you're starting on that journey now by joining this fantastic hackathon. I wish all teams the best of luck, but most importantly, enjoy yourselves and learn. Thank you.